Blair has a question here. What kind of yields fall under the continuous yields from a fish pond that Geoff has mentioned? Is this just harvestable fish and breeding stock fish? Does one typically buy stock fish from an outside source? Well, there's not just fish. There's a lot of mulch produced. You can have surface plants that float, produce a lot of mulch, anchored plants. There are very beautiful flowering plants. There's plants that are subsurface. There are edge species. A lot of those are also food. So you can have edible plants on the edge. You can have a lot of edible aquaculture plants in a fish pond. You get a build up of soil over time on the bottom that is a harvest. And then you have crayfish, crustaceans. You also have types of mollusks in a lot of places. And then you can have your different types of fish. You can have fish that don't breed in your conditions, but you buy in stock. You can have fish that do breed, but you still want to buy in stock to get a uniform weight gain of more or less all the same age group. Or you can have fish that breed and you allow them to breed like a wild system, and it can be a little bit more casual. So there are different approaches to fish ponds, but you can definitely have a continuous yield. Here in this particular dam here, it's not so much a fish pond. It's a very clear water dam. It's a recreational dam, but we still have 5 species of fish here, but only 2 of them breed on. Now, I don't go and buy stock, I catch stock. So I use little bait traps to get small fish, and I actually fish with a rod and line and small hooks and light tackle, and specialize in getting little tiny fish and introducing those that I grow on. So I bring in wild stock. There are many, many ways you can look at a continuous yield from a fish pond.